It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Welcome to today's lecture. My name's Apostle Dr. Revival John Ringjot. I'm your course instructor again for today, Believers and Politics, Paul 103. Today we shall be looking at some practical and strategic consideration for believers' involvement in politics. That is, those believers who are called into the realm of politics. We are going to look at those things that they need to consider, those practical strategies that they need to consider in order to succeed in the political race. We're going to look at some of these things. Believers often wonder how they can succeed in political arena while staying true to their faith and values. It has always been a concern, and today it will be a consideration because it is no longer a concern. When you are called into politics, what we are going to be saying today will really help you, because the question about building a strong network, effective fundraising, managing media relations, and developing a winning campaign strategies are common, which are addressed in this lecture today. So this lecture addresses this practical strategic consideration, providing insight and strategies to help believers navigate the political landscape successfully. Now, the first thing is building a network. Building a strong network of supporters and allies is crucial for political success. Now, in politics, one needs a network. Like in Nigeria, for example, if you are campaigning for the post of the president in this country, you need a network from the south, from the east, from the west, from the north. You need a network because you don't just win an election from one zone. No, you need a network. So a robust network can provide the necessary support, the necessary resources, and the influence to advance one's political career. And today, how do we get this done? There are some strategies for building a strong network. The first one is to engage with the community, actively participating in community events, town hall meetings, and local organizations. Building relationship with community members can help to establish a strong support base. Like Proverbs chapter 27 verse 17 states, "An iron sharpeneth iron as one person sharpens another." Engaging with community allowed believers to connect with like-minded individuals and build mutual beneficial relationship among themselves. The second thing to build a strong network is leverage on social media. Utilize social media platforms to connect with potential supporters and allies. Regularly share updates, engage with followers, and participate in online discussions. Social media can help amplify one's message and reach a broader audience. So the social media can also help in building a strong network. The third is join political and civil organization. Becoming a member of a political and civic organization can provide valuable networking opportunities. This organization often hosts events, they host workshops, they host conferences where believers can meet influential individuals and build a strong connection. Another thing is seek mentorship. Identify experienced politicians or political leaders and seek their mentorship. Mentors can provide guidance, support, and valuable insight into navigating the political landscape. As Proverbs 15:22 said, it highlights the importance of wise counsel when it said, plan fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors, they succeed. Now, these are strategies that can help in building a strong network. The next thing is, let's look at the strategies in fundraising. Effective fundraising is essential for running successful political campaigns. And here are some strategies for fundraising and financial management which can aid a believer who is called into politics to be able to know what to do and how to do it and how to go about it. The first one is develop a fundraising plan. Create a comprehensive fundraising plan that outline goals, strategies, and timelines. A well-structured plan can help ensure that fundraising efforts are organized and effective. The second one is engage with donors. Engage with donors, build relationship with potential donors by engaging with them personally. Host fundraising events, send personalized messages, and express gratitude to their support. Build strong relationship with donors can lead to a strong support. Building strong relationship with donors can lead to a long time support. The third one is utilizing online fundraising platform. Leveraging online fundraising platform to reach a broader audience. This platform can facilitate easy and secure donations, making it convenient for supporters to contribute. The fourth one is be transparent. Maintaining transparency in financial management by regularly updating donors on how they contribute or the contribution are being used. Transparency builds trust and encourage continuous support. Now, this is how much strategies we may take on fundraising, and applying this can help a believer to raise funds for political campaign. The third point is media and public relations. Communication or communicating your message effectively to the public and managing media relations are critical components of successful political campaign. And here are some strategies for media and public relations activities to be done effectively. One is to craft a clear message. Develop a clear and compelling message resonate with your target audience. Ensure that your message aligns with your values and visions for the community. Then the second one here is with the media. Engaging with the media. Build relationship with journalists and media outlets, regularly providing them with updates, press release, and statements. Engaging with the media can help ensure that your message reach a wider audience. Utilizing multiple communication channels is another point. Use a variety of communication channels, including social media, emails, newsletter, public speaking engagement to reach out to your audience. Defining or diversifying your communication channels can help maximize your reach. And the next one is respond to criticism gracefully. Respond to criticism gracefully. Handling criticism and negative media coverage with grace and professionalism is very important. Like Proverbs 15 verse 1 advises, a gentle answer turn away wrath, but a harsh word stir up anger. Responding calmly and respectfully can help maintain a positive and public image of one who is called into politics as a believer. we must learn to respond positively as believers. The next point I want us to look at is strategies for campaign or campaigning strategies. Developing a winning campaign strategy is essential for political success, and here are some key elements for a successful political campaign. The first element is to set clear goals. That is to define clear and achievable goals for your campaign. Having specific goals can help guide your effort and measure your progress. The second under this is conduct research. Conduct thorough research on your target audience, your opponents, and key issues. Understanding the political landscape can help you develop effective strategies and make informed decisions. The third one is to build a strong team. Assemble a dedicated and skilled campaign team. A strong team can provide support and expertise needed to execute your campaign strategy effectively. Number 4, engaging with voters. Actively engage with voters through door-to-door conversing, phone calls, and community events. Building personal connection with voters can help garner their support. And then the fifth one is monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor the progress of your campaign and be willing to adjust your strategies as needed. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial for navigating the dynamics of the political landscape. And then what is the conclusion today? Believers can succeed in politics by building a strong network, effective fundraising, managing media relations, and developing a winning campaign strategy. By engaging with community, leveraging social media, seek mentorship, and maintaining transparency, believers can build a robust support base. Effective fundraising and financial management are essential for sustaining a political campaign, while clear communication and media engagement can help amplify one's message. And then developing a well-researched and adaptable campaign strategies is made to achieve political success. With God guidance and support, believers can navigate the political landscape successfully while staying true to their faith.